and welcome to CES 2017. LG is supporting the emerging trend of autonomous or self-driving cars. We are focusing on interaction in two ways, driver to car and car to car. For driver to car interactions, we are combining advanced HMI technology with panoramic displays to provide information seamlessly and elegantly. And to keep the driver alert at all times, our driver state monitoring system tracks the line of sight twice as faster as before. For car-to-car interactions, we are developing advanced driver assistance systems by combining cameras and sensor fusion technologies to better sense your surroundings. And we are leveraging our leading-edge 5G technology and extensive LTE pattern portfolio. Our cellular V2X technology allows you to scan your surroundings faster than ever. All of this technology for the home and for the car epitomize what we mean by innovation for a better life.
Starting this year, all of our home appliances will feature advanced Wi-Fi connectivity. That's right, tens of millions of smart connected appliances. We're talking about advanced smart solutions that will improve the daily lives of consumers around the world. That's what we believe innovation for a better life is all about. LG DeepThink, powered by cloud-based big data analysis and deep learning technologies, will enable our appliances to not just be smart, but also actually learn. LG DeepThink uses real-time sensors, picks up on lifestyle patterns, stored in the cloud, and then analyzes all of this to continuously improve users' daily lives in ways they never thought possible. Our LG Robot Vacuum, when it finds it's your legs in the path, it recognizes that it's a person and asks you to politely move to the side. We've also revolutionized laundry, but now we're making our washers the smartest on the planet. Your LG washer can sense the presence of hard water and adjust the temperature and the amount of water to counter the effects of hard water on your clothes. In areas with lots of dust, the washing machine will automatically add another rinse cycle. How about air conditioning? Your smart air conditioner will analyze your daily behavior patterns so it knows how to cool the most important places in your house before you come home. And let's not forget about refrigerators. LG smart refrigerators also will analyze lifestyle and usage patterns to perform automation. The new LG Smart InstaView refrigerator for the US market features our fast, easy-to-use WebOS operating system. That's right. We've taken the award-winning WebOS platform from our smart TVs to our smart refrigerators, so now consumers can stay connected in ways they never thought imaginable. We also have a panorama view. We're the first to offer an ultra-wide angle so you can virtually see it all inside the refrigerator. No need to second guess whether you need more milk. But there's even more. Today, we're very proud to announce a new collaboration with Amazon, which will bring completely new functionality to your smart refrigerator. To tell us more about that, please welcome Mike George from Amazon Alexa.
Today, we're very excited to bring Alexa to the Smart InstaView refrigerator. Now, on this refrigerator, you use the Alexa voice service to integrate Alexa into a piece of hardware. You get the full Alexa experience. You can do things in your kitchen like add things to your shopping list, check the weather, play some music, and lots of other stuff. And one more thing, there's a lot more to come between Amazon and LG. At Amazon, we are constantly trying to make things simpler for the lives of our customers, and I think LG is the same. And we always call that day one because we're always inventing on behalf of our customers. So I think it's day one for us as well, Dave.
Sounds great, Mike. It's clear the kitchen is going to become more dynamic with the LG Smart InstaView refrigerator. Our LG HomeBot robot vacuum set the industry standard. Meet the Hub Robot, your intelligent home assistant. The Hub Robot acts as an intelligent notification center and smart home gateway. It'll connect to other smart home devices. Many can empathize with how tedious mowing the lawn can be. Not to worry, the LG mowing robot is already to be your automatic gardener. And we've created a robot specifically for cleaning large public spaces, like perhaps the airport. Meet the Airport Guide robot. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Hello everyone. I am Airport Guide Robot. I'm glad to meet you all. Come to Incheon International Airport this year, and I will be there to assist you. Hope to see you at the LG showroom here at CES. Thank you.
You know, I need to quickly check my gate and my boarding time.
Your boarding time is 8:30. The number of the gate is 15. It's 150 meters away from here. It takes about 5 minutes. Have a safe trip.
You know, today the television is one of the few places where loved ones share a common entertainment experience. Our 2017 Super UHD TVs use our new proprietary LG NanoCell display technology that positions uniformly sized 1 nanometer dots on the panel. What's the result? LG Super UHD TVs can recreate more accurate colors, in fact can render 1 billion rich colors, deliver over 90% of DCI coverage, and importantly, reduce on-screen glow. But that's us talking on color. Let's talk to the color experts. Please welcome to the stage Sandra Carvalho, the Chief Marketing Officer at Technicolor.
Starting in 2017, Technicolor and LG will bring this shared commitment to image and color accuracy to LG's premier televisions. LG's Super UHD and OLED TVs will be the first to incorporate Technicolor's color science expertise through the Technicolor Expert Mode, resulting in viewing experiences that accurately recreate the artistic intent of content creators.
In 2017, we'll bring the amazing experience of HDR even closer to even more consumers. This year, we'll again lead the industry with 2 more additional HDR options: Hybrid Log Gamma, known as HLG, and Advanced HDR by Technicolor. These advanced HDR offerings will give our consumers even greater access to the full spectrum of HDR content. But how about audio?
LG OLED TVs are the first TVs to deliver the Dolby Atmos experience out of the box using the TV speakers.
So Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos will be featured in each of our 10 new 2017 LG OLED models. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the latest innovation from LG's engineering labs, the all-new LG Signature OLED TV W. LG is taking its OLED TV concept to a new level by combining minimalism and perfection into one single TV. A panel measuring just 2.57 millimeters based on a 65-inch TV. Ladies and gentlemen, that's 1/10 of an inch. The W7's sleek, razor-thin profile gives it a unified look with the wall. The panel itself can be attached directly on the wall with the use of magnetic brackets, which eliminate any gap between the LG OLED TV and the wall itself. Thank you all for coming, and remember this with LG, life's good. How about the memo? Let me demonstrate how great this is. And we have a smiley face.
Hello everyone. I am Airport Guide Robot. I'm glad to meet you all. Come to Incheon International Airport this year, and I will be there to assist you. Hope to see you at the LG showroom here at CES. Thank you.